If your body feels stiff, your back aches, and even sitting down feels like work, you're not broken, you're just tight. And the good news? You can fix it in just 15 minutes. These 5 stretches are simple, powerful, and feel so good it's almost unfair. By the end, your muscles will feel loose, your joints will breathe again, and your body will thank you. Let's get into it. Stretch number 1, cat-cow. If your back feels tight every time you stand up, this is your starting point. The cat-cow stretch isn't just a yoga move, it's like oiling the hinges of your entire spine. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Take a deep breath in and let your belly drop while your chest lifts and your tailbone tilts toward the sky. This is your cow position. You'll feel your chest open and your shoulders pull back slightly. Now exhale and do the opposite. Round your spine toward the ceiling, tuck your chin, and let your shoulders roll forward. That's cat. It's a wave of movement from your hips up to your neck, reconnecting your breath with your body. Do this slowly, about 10 to 15 times. With each inhale, imagine your spine expanding. With each exhale, picture stress leaving your body like steam. You'll notice something amazing happen after a few rounds. Your back loosens, your breathing deepens, and your whole upper body feels lighter. This simple movement can literally reset your posture after hours of sitting. When you're done, pause for a second in the neutral position. Take one slow breath and feel how much taller you already stand. Now that your spine's awake, let's move down to those stubborn hips. Stretch number 2, butterfly stretch. If sitting all day makes your hips feel tight or heavy, this stretch is your antidote. Your hips are your body's anchor. When they're stiff, everything from your lower back to your knees pays the price. Sit on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your ankles, sit tall, and let your knees gently drop toward the floor. No forcing, just let gravity do its job. Now take a deep breath, and as you exhale, slowly lean forward from your hips, not your back. You'll feel that stretch deep in your inner thighs and hips. Stay here, breathing deeply for 30 seconds to a full minute. Imagine your hips opening like a door that hasn't been used in years. With each exhale, it creaks a little less. You'll feel warmth spread across your thighs. That's blood flow returning, muscles loosening, tension melting. If you spend your day in a chair or car seat, this stretch is a lifesaver. It restores movement to your hips, improves balance, and makes standing up feel effortless again. Take one final deep breath, slowly sit upright, and feel that space you just created. Now let's use that mobility and twist out the stiffness that's been hiding in your spine. Stretch number 3, supine twist. If you wake up stiff or your lower back feels jammed every morning, this one's for you. The supine twist is like wringing out your spine after years of tension. Lie flat on your back with your arms stretched wide like a letter T. Bend your knees and pull them gently toward your chest. Now slowly lower both knees to one side while keeping your shoulders flat on the floor. Turn your head to the opposite side and breathe deeply. You'll feel the stretch travel from your lower back through your ribs and across your chest. It's gentle, but powerful. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing slowly. Let gravity take over. You don't need to push. Each exhale should feel like your muscles are melting into the floor. Switch sides and repeat. You might hear a few small pops. That's your joints releasing pressure, not cracking in a bad way. When you come back to center, your spine will feel more open, your chest lighter, and your lower back more free. This stretch also helps digestion, posture, and circulation, especially if you've been sitting for hours. Think of it as a reboot for your entire core. Ready to move on? Let's wake up your legs next, because they've been holding you up all day. Stretch number 4, calf stretch. Your calves are silent workers. They take thousands of steps every day, carry your body weight, and rarely get the attention they deserve. Tight calves can mess with your stride, stress your knees, and even cause back issues. So let's fix that. Face a wall and place your hands flat against it. Step one foot back, heel pressed firmly into the ground, and bend your front knee slightly. You'll feel the stretch run down the back of your leg. Hold for about 30 seconds. Keep your chest tall, your heel flat, and your breathing steady. Feel that burn? That's tension breaking down. Now switch sides. To take it up a notch, find a step or ledge. Place the ball of your foot on the edge and gently lower your heel below step level. Hold that position, no bouncing. Let the stretch do the work. This move improves flexibility in your ankles, prevents cramps, and boosts circulation in your legs. After a few weeks of doing this, you'll notice walking feels smoother, running feels lighter, and even climbing stairs feels easier. Your legs will thank you, and your balance will improve too. Once your calves feel loose, it's time to end with a stretch that not only relaxes your body, but calms your mind too. Stretch number 5, child's pose. This one's pure relaxation and the perfect way to wrap everything up. Child's pose doesn't just stretch your body, it resets your breathing and clears your head. Start on your hands and knees. Now slowly sit your hips back toward your heels and stretch your arms forward. Let your chest lower toward the floor and your forehead rest on the mat. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, let every muscle in your body release. Feel your spine lengthen, your shoulders relax, your hips open. Stay here for at least a minute, longer if you can. With each breath, imagine the day's stress melting out of your body. If your knees feel uncomfortable, widen your stance a bit. You can even rest your arms beside you for a softer version. Child's pose decompresses your spine, releases your hips, and slows down your mind. It's a reminder to pause, to breathe, and to treat your body with the care it deserves. When you're ready, slowly rise up to a seated position. Roll your shoulders back, lift your chin slightly, and take one final deep breath. Your body feels looser, your mind calmer, and your energy reset. And just like that, you've released years of stiffness in 15 minutes. It's not just about stretching, it's about giving your body the movement it's been craving. Do this routine daily, or even every other day, and you'll start to notice real change. Better posture, easier movement, and less pain. If this helped you, share it with someone who's always saying their back hurts. They'll thank you later. Take a deep breath, smile, and carry this energy into your day. Your body deserves it. See you in the next one.